Hyundai's available Drive Mode integrated control system enables you to easily select the driving mode that suits your mood or driving conditions. Use the Drive Mode selection knob to change settings. It's located on the center console. First up is Comfort Mode. That provides regular daily driving performance with good efficiency. Choose Sport Mode to add excitement. You'll see Sport appear on your instrument cluster and on the touchscreen if equipped. In this setting, driving dynamics are adjusted to enhance performance. Steering effort, transmission shift points, and throttle response are modified. Choose Eco Mode to help improve fuel efficiency for eco-friendly driving. When Eco Mode is activated, acceleration and gear shift points will be affected, and air conditioning performance will be reduced to improve fuel economy. You'll see Eco appear on your instrument cluster and on the touchscreen. Select Smart Mode to have your vehicle pick the optimum setting for your driving style. It chooses Smart Comfort, Smart Sport, or Smart Eco based on how you are driving. The vehicle status when in Smart Mode can be seen on the instrument cluster. The display turns green when it determines you are driving economically, blue under normal conditions, and red when you are driving in a more sporty, aggressive manner. Once you've selected Smart, Eco, or Comfort, your vehicle will remain in that mode even after you've turned it off. Sport Mode is the exception. It automatically reverts to Comfort when you restart. If your Palisade is equipped with all-wheel drive, you'll find two more options on the Drive Mode selector knob. Snow Mode allows the vehicle to start on snow-covered roads with greater traction by changing the throttle response and shift points of the engine and transmission. Pressing AWD lock will distribute power equally to front and rear wheels at the same time. This mode is only available at speeds of 25 miles per hour or less and is only to be used under extreme driving conditions. See the owner's manual for more information. Our Drive Mode integrated control system is a great way to make sure you are getting the very best experience behind the wheel of your Hyundai.